don't want to bet that. Let's see
What's
you
up,
do
guys?
a hard jump. Let's see
Today
you do
we're
a
playing
hard jump.
construction site Yeeps. Zip lining like a normal guy.
No,
Playing
I can
tap
go
tag
up to
every
white
second.
or yellow crane if you want me to.
Oh! Oh!
Oh no, I'm dead. Or am I?
Wait. Let
Maria! Wait, there's a YouTuber
So
in
she's
here.
done.
He's recording a YouTube video.
Where's my friend at? I think he probably can get
Wait,
my
green screen.
I think I get only up now. Oh yeah.
I cannot
Wait,
see
I'm
where
going to
I'm
only up.
Oh my god. Okay.
Holy guacamole.
Oh. Come. How many go?
No, I just want to go to only up.
Oh. Dang it.
Grandpa needs a hug.
I
Grandpa needs a hug.
Gotcha.
Oh.
Hey, Grandpa needs a hug. Come here.
No.
Hello.
Why won't anyone give Grandpa a hug?
Ooh,
I'll
go.
give you a hug.
Is it because I'm
What
red?
do you want to do?
How many
What do
days
you
of the
want? Hey, you.
how many
What
days
do you
of the
want?
exterminator bundle remaining?
Yay, hug your grandpa.
Messi sucks.
The exterminator bundle isn't that popular, but there's
Dang it,
15
I'm
days
so
left.
tired of doing that twice.
By the 16th.
My grandpa still needs a hug.
It doesn't really have to do. Oh, yeah.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
I wish I could like
And Grandpa's not a
like
no.
it's so sad that cotton plants aren't allowed on the.
Hey, friend.
Do you want to build the little? Do you want to do the little Timmy break it thing?
Friend.
Let's do the little Timmy break it.
Okay.
I built a wall. Little Timmy break it. You stupid Timmy. My wall has fallen. Where's Timmy?
Right here.
That's a waste of my cotton.
Bro, friend.
Snowboarder. Let's see your hardest jump. I have an inconsistent, but I can do it. I can go from black to white without bombs, but it's not consistent.
You gotta suck one like away. Oh shoot!
I can do
Where's
that consistently.
Oh, he's right up there.
Hey, Timmy. Get you. No way. You just tagged me from half. Can't get me from inside the box.
Needs a hug,
In my mind.
Let's stay right here.
Okay.
Oh, dude.
Right
Oh
there.
wait, that's not. Bro. Get down. Get down. Come here, boy.
I just broke a window.
Kaboom. Come here. There goes your tower. Watch it crumble. Feel the.
No, my body broke it. So I was on a zip line, then I landed and bashed into a
Come here, boy.
window and broke it
Gotcha.
open. Kennedy.
Any buckhorn stashes?
I need
Save me! Go underground.
Where you go? Where they go?
Friend. Wanna help me do my role? Open.
Like your comedian?
I didn't help do my role. I really scored. I got grief.
Oh, okay. Hold up, wait. Here, I'm gonna show you all the buckhorn stashes in the construction site. Let's get to it. So the first one, very easy. Let's buy this thingy. And buy these things first. And second one, if you go upstairs,
I don't want to go in the
come on,
sewage plant.
buy
What are you gonna play?
the music thingy over here.
SB?
Almost just threw my controller.
I hate the water. I can't swim.
I'm gonna put this kid in so we
I'm
can
not
play it.
bad yet.
That's some good music.
Yes.
Drop
Yeah,
Now-
why did music this? How much? Yes. I can buy one.
I own this. I own this one,
I like the beach one.
this one, and this one.
Wow.
I
And,
got
oh,
this
and
one.
this one. I own butterfly.
This is my new one. This is the only one I have. I'm gonna get more soon. Come on, let's see the more.
I was able to unlock this one because I found it on the ground in wilds. All right, but down. Yeah.
Grandpa needs a hug.
Sorry, I just... Grandma,
Come here, boy.
Grandma. I just broke another window.
So if you go in here, and there's a button
I love breaking windows.
like right on the log,
I see it.
and
That was a
You just got
secret
it?
one.
I got 2 more to go. And I forgot where they are. Well, okay.
There's the one somewhere over here. Yeah, I know.
I don't
No,
exactly
I
know where it
don't.
is,
No,
but
I
it's like
don't. No, I
somewhere
don't.
in between the cracks. Guys,
I almost
Emily needs
won.
to punch you in the face. No, you didn't.
Yes,
now,
I did.
first of all, you're a
That's
2-year-old.
what I said.
Bye-bye.
Zip line slap, you mean?
We have one
I
more.
call it zip line slapping. We're on just
Oh
for
yes,
us.
I know where it is.
Yo, guys, you go faster if you go on zip line like this. Just stretch your arms out. Yeah, but you know what else to go wonder how fast. I know a faster way. I know a faster way. It's called. I'm gonna tickle your toes. It's called zip line slapping.
Go on this thing, Bob.
I can do it farther than that, by the way, as well. And you don't have to show off.
Make sure you don't fall through.
I mean,
You like jump
that's
on this, and then like come in this. There should be like like a button.
what's up?
Like should be like a yeah.
I see it. Oh, I got it. There's like a little crack
Yeah, it's-
right here.
Yeah, it's like there's a what?
There's like a little crack. Like it looks like a crack.
What's up, bro?
Hello.
What's up, broski?
Yeeps. Yeep.
Then that's it
Okay.
for the video today, guys.
Yeep.
Um,
So I'm playing Yeep, and I'm in a map where you do tagging.
bye.
Bye. Have a good time.
Guys, bye. Sorry.
Bye. Have a
Um,
good time. Have a
Yep,
great time.
bye guys. That's the end
Bye.
of the video today.
And watch our next video.
Guys,
Bye.
subscribe.
Watch more.
It got me.
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Like this video and comment.
What?
Yeah.